How to add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. To do so, first of all, make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Now once you have done that, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to initiate a new post. Once tapping on it, now here tap on select multiple icon which looks like the stack squares located at the right side of the screen. Once you tap on it, now you will be able to choose multiple images or videos. You can select them in the order you want them to appear in the carousel. You will be able to choose 20 photos or videos from a gallery. After selecting your 20 photos or videos, now tap on this next button at the top right. Once doing that, now here you will be able to apply filters, edit each image individually by swiping through your selection and tapping on each photo. Once you are satisfied with your edits, now tap on the next again at the bottom right. After that, here you can add a caption for your post, add hashtags, tag people or include a location if desired. Once you are satisfied with it, now finally tap on share to publish your carousel post to your feed. Now wait for a while until your post is published successfully. You will also need to ensure that your selected images are in compatible format and size for optimal display. Once your post has been successfully published, now you can tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and here you will be able to view your carousel post. Tap on it to view it. So by following these steps, you can effectively showcase multiple images or videos in a single post. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.